If your computer is very slow, then you can speed up your computer performance by following these steps. Step 1. Press Windows key and then R gently, and then type temp. Press enter. Here you will see the temporary files. Press Ctrl plus A to select all and press Shift Delete and then click on S. Here click on do this for all current items and then click on skip so that your important files will not be deleted. Again, do this for all current items and then skip. Step 2. Once again press Windows and R in your computer and this time type %temp and then press enter. Here once again Ctrl plus A to select all and then Shift plus delete to delete all the files. Press yes. Once again here checkbox do this for all current items and then click on skip. Wait for the complete deletion of the unwanted files, log files and other cache files. Once again skip the important files. Step 3. Once again press Windows and then R and this time type prefetch and then click on OK. Give the permission and here once again Ctrl plus A and Shift plus delete. Once again do this for all current items and then click on skip. Just restart your computer, then your computer will perform 5 to 10x faster than the older one. If you find this video very useful and helpful, please do not forget to subscribe our educational channel and thanks for watching this.